Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to play Easy on Me by Adele on the keyboard with your right hand. If you'd like to hear how the song sounds all the way through, then skip to the time on the screen and it will take you to the end of the video where I've combined all of the verses. I'm first going to show you how verse 1 sounds and then I'll go through each individual line and then we'll do that for every verse until we've learnt the whole song. So this is verse 1 to start and I hope you enjoy the video. So the first line of verse 1 is which is C, D, F, F, D, F, C, D, F, F, D, C. Again, that is the second line is which is C, D, F, F, E, F, E, F, E, F, D. The next line is C, D, F, 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 G, A, C, F, F, D, C. And the next line is C, D, F, F, E, E, F, E, F. And the final line of verse 1 is E, F, E, F, E, F, A, G, A, G, A, G, B flat, A. So that's verse 1, let's play it again. The next part to learn is the chorus, and this is how it sounds. So the first line of the chorus is F, C, B flat, A, B flat, A, G, G, A. Again, that is the second line of the chorus is next line is C, B flat, A, B flat, A, G, A, G, G, A. The next line is F, 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 G, A, F, 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 G, A, F. And the final line is A, B flat, B flat, A, G, F, F, A. That's the chorus. Let's play it again. The next part to learn is verse 2, and this is how it sounds. The first line of verse 2 is C, D, F, F, D, F, A, C, D, F, 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 D. The next line is C, D, F, F, E, F, E, F, E, F, D. The next line is C, D, F, 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 G, A, C, D, F, 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 G, A. The next line is so it's F, 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 E, F, E, F, A, G, A, G, A, G, B flat, A. So that is verse 2. Let's play it again. After verse 2, you can play the chorus again, and then the final part to learn is the bridge, and this is how it sounds. sign of the bridge is which is the higher F, D, C, D, C, C, B flat, A. And the second line is F, F, D, C, B flat, A, C, F. And the next line is F, F, A, G, G, F. And the final line is F, 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 A, C, C, D. So that is the bridge. Let's play it again. After the bridge, you can play the chorus once more, and then that's everything for this song. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.